Young Traders YouTube channel. On this channel, we share our trade ideas, we review our weekly trades and signals, we forecast the directional bias of various asset class. If you want to learn the strategies we use in trading, visit Ostibina YouTube channel, right? So that's where we teach the strategies that we use in trading, right? So basically on this channel, what we do is just to journal our trades, right? So and then we share our trade ideas on this channel. So if you want to follow us up and see our progress, so you can subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on notifications so you get notified every time we drop videos. So we try as much as possible to drop videos every Saturday, right? All right, guys. So on today's video, we'll be reviewing this week trade. This week, on our first on the account I told you guys, this account, guys, this particular account, uh, I only took two trades during the week, but then because the reason why I added CHF here is because we had, on our last video, that CHF trade was still running, right? CHF trade was still running last week. So this trade, we are going to see the results of all the trades very soon. So that's for this account. Mind you, this account is a sent account, right? So that's it. So as we can see right here, last week and this week, the first trade we took for this week was Euro AUD. This trade you are seeing here. So it ended on loss, right? So let's just go to our chart and see Euro AUD. Let's see what the trade and let's see why we took the trade. So this is the setup here, right? As you can see right here. So this is the setup. When I saw this guy traded into a resistance, a key resistance level. So I was actually anticipating that this guy we reverse from here and start trading higher. That was actually what I anticipated. However, it can still do that because it's still dancing around that resistance and that support level. Sorry, not resistance. It's still dancing around the support level as you can see as at 9 there. So I was anticipating that the guy Euro AUD will start buying right from here, right? So when I saw this confirmation, this swing high that was taking out confirmation, so I just placed my order here and then we were taking out, guys. We were taking out, so it didn't go well, guys. It's like that. So trading is like that, you lose and you win. So for me, I accept the loss. So that's it. Just that the week was a crazy week. Like the week, the like literally all the trades we took, the two trades we took during the week, we lost both trades, right? So it's not easy, guys. So the next trade we took during the week. So this was I remember I told you guys that I love this was the Euro AUD. I love taking two entries, so it is two entries, right? So the next one was AUD USD, guys. So that AUD USD is quite trickish. I didn't even want to take the trade, but then I just decided to take the trade because it met my requirement, and I've been waiting for that trade for a very long period of time. And another reason why I would have not taken this trade is because of this. It was actually a low probability setup. I won't lie to you. So this was the setup, guys. So when the price traded into this resistance level, and you know that this resistance level is a major level, as you can see right here. So it has, like, price has been here several times, and in fact, as you can see right here, price got what it still sold from this resistance level. So it therefore means that this is a key resistance level, just that we enter at the wrong time. We were wrong, we were right, but then we entered at the wrong time, right? So when I saw that price rejected from this zone and then took out this swing low here, though not so visible, but the only mistake I made was to take this entry when I saw that price initially tried to tap us in, but then it failed, and then A swing high was violated here to the upside. So, but there are sometimes that when this swing high, the reason why I still took it, when this swing high is violated sometimes, and you will just when it's violated, it's just to grab liquidity, right? Like this, something like this. So, and that is why I took the trade was on the 1 hour time frame. What I saw on the 1 hour time frame. So, it was this. I saw that price was just dancing around. Honestly speaking, guys, I thought that price would just start selling off right from this level. So I took the trade, guys. So what later happened? Price came, stopped us out. Look at what price did. Took us out, and then before the news, and the guy sold, later sold into this. It has sold into this support level now. So I'll be looking at taking a buy from here. So I'll just wait patiently, right? Or wait patiently to see my setup form at this level. So it's at a point of interest right now. So that's it. That's the second trade we took, guys. So this CHF, it actually ended on break even. It's actually a break even trade. I don't even know, or maybe this is just price difference and all of that. So it's actually a break even trade. So we lost two trades during the week, guys. So as you can see the result right here, and I look at this account now, the balance is now 2,128 cents, right? That is what is the balance. It we have lost 308. And actually this account supposed to be on break even right now, but then because of what do they call it, all this their fees, not commission. um oh god, I've forgotten the name of this fee. So it's the fee they charge for holding trade for a extended period of time. That's it. I've forgotten the name. Non spread. Yeah, the thing just escaped me. It just escaped. Maybe before this video ends, I'll remember. All right, guys. So these were the trades we took during the week, as you can see right there. Maybe next time, what I'll do better is this. I'll rather, when I see a trade like this and then the setup is just oh, this price did not really do, like the swing low before it was taken, price low did not really, price would have gave us something like a W here. So before I take this kind of setup like this, I must make sure I wait for that W pattern to form right before I will take a trade, right? And actually I was even that day something told me that price could still trade higher a bit, because look at the price just tested the level, and if you look at the other ones, price tested it like very well. So I was even like, okay, price is still not doing the same thing. I actually scrolled backward. It was when I saw something like this I was like, okay, let's just take it and see how it goes. So guys, this was my trade on this account for last week. So very quickly, let me show you guys the for the other account, guys. Let me show you guys for the other account. All right, guys. So for the other account, we are just this is the other account, guys. So let's just see what we did last week. So for the other account, we also took two trades, right? Two trades, as you can see. This was last week trade, and then this plus this one. So these were the only trades that we took last week. Remember, I told you guys that we were going to add GBP but guys, I messed up last week because I saw clean like nice setups on GBP two, about two like that, and they played out. But I didn't take the setup, right? I didn't take the setup. What made me not to take the setup? One of it was at night, it was a bit late at night. So I was like, okay, if before this trade we start, like before the trade we start going my direction, maybe it will go and take out liquidity first, take out that loss. So and probably the next day. But you know that JPYPS, it starts it's actually volatile from 1 a.m., right? 1 a.m. GMT plus one, right? So that's, I think, during opening of Asia session. So during Asia session, JPYPS, they are very volatile too. So I would have taken the trade. So I'm going to show you guys the trade very soon. So let's just see what we did on GBPUSD. So this was last week, and last week I was like, okay, I was seeing this buy, like I was like, okay, this guy bought, and coupled with the fact that I was anticipating like a really nice sell after this huge buy. So that was actually what I was anticipating. So price actually I entered when I saw that this a swing low was taken out here. I entered and then price came here and then traded downwards. I think it traded up to one arrow in profit. Yeah, it traded up to one arrow in profit and then I left. I after it traded up to one hour in profit, then I think that was when I broke even my trade. And then later the trade came, look at it. So it got to one hour, exactly one hour in profit. So it got one hour of profit and then I had to break even my trade. As you guys know that whenever price gets to one arrow, which is risk to reward, so I do break even my trade. So I broke even my trade here and then this trade ended on break even. So actually the same thing for this setup too. So for other days I was looking for sell setups, but the sell never happened until during the news. So it was news to deal the news. That was when the sale happened. So I think the other day, which is on this was on Thursday. On Thursday, I was anticipating a buy after this massive sale. I was looking at a buy. So when price took out this swing high here, I just waited for price to retrace, which is price came back here when price came down here. This was when we entered. So I'm going to go to the Telegram channel and show you guys the setup because this particular setup I dropped it on the Telegram channel and the other two losses too on that other account, that swing trade, that other losses, I also dropped them on the Telegram channel. Guys, we're not so lucky last week, so we didn't really make money last week. So the price came here, took us in, and then traded almost 2 hour in profit. So the reason why this trade took me out on break even is because of my rules. I normally wait for price to trade up to 2 hour in profit before I will break even my trade. So you can see it almost got to 2 hour like this my line here, like that's where 2 hour is. So it almost got to, if it had gotten to 2 hour here, I would have taken one arrow out of this trade, right? One risk to reward, I would have taken it out of this trade, but then I did not. So I don't know if anyone made some profit on the group, but then this setup it pretty did well, but then it later took us on out on break even. If it were some people, they would have made a lot of profit with this, guys. So but it's best to always follow the rules. So on Friday I didn't take any trade at all. I don't like taking much trade. I didn't even like trading on Friday. That's the truth. So guys, these were the trade. Let me quickly show you the GBP setups that I saw that I didn't take. Oh. All right, this is one of them, and this one was, I think it was ninth. So I saw it at ninth. So when price took out this swing high here, so you will outline the order block, right? So for me, I will outline this order block, not full. Let okay, yes, I will. This was the order block outlined. This was the other block, but then I would have reduced it to here. This is where I would have entered, right? So when price took out this high, so I saw when I saw this retracement, it was at night. As you can see, it was 12 a.m. So GMT plus one. So price came here and respected it. And in the morning when I saw price, it pained me, guys. It really pained me that price did this and this trade went so well and I didn't take the trade. It pained me, but it is what it is. So immediately the guy got to exactly 3 arrow where I would have exited, he started retracing. So this trade would have been just a perfect trade. Like the price just came here, went direct to our take profit, and then it reversed. So I think the same thing with this one too. So like you guys know that I use one concept, like that concept. So and you can see that the concept is like the reason why I added GBPJPY is because I discovered that the concept it even works better on GBPJPY than GBPUSD. So as you can see again, the same last week, the same concept played out beautifully, 3 arrow in profit as well on GBPJPY. If you are the one taking this trade, decided to take even more arrow, right? Look at, you take crazy arrow out of this trade, like up to 6 RR or 7 RR out of this trade, right? So look at what happened. Look at, guys. So you would have taken up to 7 RR out of this trade. But then you know me, I follow my rules. Take just 3 RR out and I'm done. So I would have taken this trade too, but then I did not take this trade. I think one of the reason why I didn't take this trade, I was pretty busy during the week. I was very busy with something else, so I was very busy, so I could not really focus. But another reason why I did not take this trade, I won't lie to you, this particular trade here. Let me show you the reason here. Another reason, in fact, the major reason I didn't take the trade, not just because it was nice. Because when I saw yen basket on the 4 hour time frame, so when I saw yen basket on the 4 hour time frame, my network is bad. On 4 hour time frame, like I knew that it was this break happened on yen basket on the 4 hour time frame. So when I saw this break and I saw this break and then price now change character again to the downside, which that change of character that happened to the upside on GBP is the change of character that happened here to the downside. But then I knew that since a change of character has already happened to the upside, I knew that a buy was going to happen, and of which the buy eventually happened. Just that we would have taken our profit before that buy happened. So because I was even anticipating a buy for yen basket, that's one of the reasons I didn't take that trade. I was anticipating because when I saw that 4 hour change of character and then price was retraced, it was that move was a retracement. This move was a retracement into the other block, so of which I was even anticipating that okay, from this other block yen basket is going to start buying, right? So that's even the reason why I didn't take the major reason I didn't take the trade. That's just the truth, guys. So I was looking at GBPJPY selling, right, instead of buying, but then I've actually learnt my lessons. I wasn't wrong anyways, but I was right, just that I would have taken the trade and whatever happened would have still happened. Um it wasn't a high probability. I would have taken the trade, but having it at the back of my mind that it wasn't a high probability. But then on a second thought, if you look at it, I think leaving the trade is the best option, right? So not risking exposing your capital. At least I can see I can still get a cleaner setup right next time. So I think I leaving the trade was good, right? Leaving that setup was good, knowing because I knew that it was going to like sell. GP was going to sell. All right, guys. So these were the trades we took last week. So thank you very much for watching.